The Liberty Model 704 hose reel, with its elegant style and all-cast aluminum finish, has revolutionized the garden hose industry, offering a stronger alternative, a beautifully designed hose reel made with no plastic components. Its aluminum construction gives you year-round protection from most weather elements while keeping your garden hose neatly stored. Installing it is easy. Attach it to a secure wall, such as a brick or studded wood-sided wall. Next, attach the handle as shown. Now, attach the included leader hose to the swivel connector. Your Liberty Garden hose reel is ready to use. The Liberty Garden wall-mounted hose reel holds 125 feet of 5/8-inch hose. The comfortable rubber grip handle makes it easy to wind and unwind your garden hose as the brass rotating swivel turns freely to avoid kinks on the leader hose. The shelf space located on the base unit provides a convenient place for your gardening tools, water accessories, or you can decorate it with plants or potted flowers. The Liberty Model 704 hose reel is beautiful in appearance and engineered to make your gardening experience a rewarding one for years to come.